How bricks are made out of plastic waste. Plastic garbage totals 6.3 billion metric tons. Our water, air, seafood, and veggies contain it. Only 21% of all plastic has been recycled or burned. Thus, new reuse methods are essential. Using it to manufacture construction materials is a huge idea due to global demand for new buildings. A wall supports the roof, floor, and weatherproofs a building. Building a wall requires layering materials like a sandwich or burger, but on its side. Brick protects the outer wall from dampness, while concrete mortar and plasterboard finish the inner wall for painting or wallpapering. Modern buildings have insulation, a sponge-like material that retains heat in between to let humidity out or keep it in. Walls must conserve heat in colder countries for energy efficiency. Bird nest bricks. The scientists co-created a 3D printed block from domestic plastic garbage in 2019. The Bayer Weaver bird's nest inspired the brick. Its intricately woven dwellings make this lovely yellow grassland inhabitant famous. The male bird weaves grass stems and palm fronds into a hat-like nest using his claws and mouth. A longer tunnel-like entrance leads to a larger area for the eggs. While incubating, the nest's weave shields the eggs from wind, rain, and heat. The scientists tried making a brick similarly. Instead of plant fibers, scientists wanted to weave synthetic yarn. Scientists made the yarn by shredding plastic water bottles. Scientists then 3D printed that yarn. The printer melts yarn and deposits plastic using a cone-shaped nozzle. Imagine frosting a cake. Scientists designed the printer to generate molten plastic lattices. Scientists then covered the lattice with a solid layer to trap air in the hollow for improved insulation. Strong bricks. They are as strong as cement mortar bricks in 5-story building walls, according to research. They insulate walls 10 times better than clay bricks of the same size. Life-sized Lego. The Weaver bird-inspired brick may be unique. It's not the only domestic plastic trash brick. Another model shreds and powders plastic. Like water in ice cube trays, fine-grained plastic can be poured into a brick-shaped mold. After melting plastic powder in a furnace, the mold is squeezed into a plastic brick. Because plastic melts between 200 C and 250 C, scientists can mix water bottles, milk cartons, food packaging, and bottle caps to make plastic bricks. They can also be readily constructed and linked to form a wall, a life-sized Lego project. To smooth the wall, put clay or cement on both sides. Bottle house walls combining plastic garbage with traditional building materials and agricultural waste is the cheapest and most clever technique. De Montfort University researchers and Nigerian entrepreneurs created a prototype bottle house. Recycled water bottles were filled with sand or water and cemented with clay to make durable bottle bricks. This approach lacks heat retention. It absorbs sunlight to cool a building. UK weather requires more warmth. In addition to adapting materials to the location and weather, some plastics can release harmful pollutants when exposed to UV light and high temperatures. Thus, much research and work remains in this sector.